Hi, I'm Ron Jackson, and in this presentation I will be introducing a new composite resin especially designed for posterior use, along with a uniquely designed sonic handpiece which is used to deliver the composite to the prepared cavity quickly and efficiently in a single bulk fill increment. The name of the product is SonicFill and is by the Kerr Corporation. Let's face it, placing posterior composite resin restorations is an exacting, tedious, and time-consuming procedure. It includes obtaining the necessary isolation, selecting and placing the appropriate matrix, precise execution of the adhesive steps, the placement of a flowable resin or a resin ionomer liner, and finally, the placement and adaptation and light curing of incremental layers of composite, at least 2 or more layers. Add to this adjusting the occlusion, finishing and polishing, and you have a procedure which just takes too much time. Simply stated, SonicFill is a system for the efficient placement of posterior composite restorations. As I mentioned earlier, this system consists of a new composite developed by Kerr, which comes loaded into a specially designed unit dose tip, and it utilizes a specially designed sonic handpiece. Used together, this technology will significantly change the way posterior composites are placed. What SonicFill actually does is to shorten the tedious and time-consuming placement process down to a single step accomplished in seconds. Additionally, because the composite resin lends itself to a rapid sculpting and finishing technique, which I will be demonstrating, many dentists will see a time savings of 10 to 15 minutes per restoration. What's more, the savings in time does not come at the expense of quality. In fact, in terms of density and adaptation, you may even see an improvement.